Right, good evening, guys, boys and girls. John here, Mr. Forex Fire. So we're going to come in and take a look at what has happened through the week. I'm late at coming in and getting this video out. I've had a different broadband supplier set up. Okay, so we're just going to dive straight into this. Just going to share the screen and let's get into it. Let's just make this that a little bit smaller as well. And hit this open, and then we'll get the calculator in as well. Right, so here we go. So starting with the odd Swiss franc, we came down into the bull zone. Okay, I'm just going to take us straight into the 5 minutes. We use a simple method with regards to a pullback from what I call the last point of true mitigation for in a buy zone and in a sell zone. We have an indicator for this, which is what you see here. It's called the fire zones. It has what we call a proximity meter and a watch list. Okay, so what that basically does is it tells us what is due to come into touch for an entry. We've got one near enough there now on the ORJPY. We also have what we see, what has triggered this week. So again, what we've had triggered this week is quite a few, to be fair. All of these have triggered, and that's what's down here at the moment. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're just going to take this bit off, and we're going to go and take a look. Okay, so we had an entry on here, and the Fibonacci was here as well. Okay, so we pulled out, we come into the ratio. We had a 1.25, this area here, 1.25. We also had TP2, which was a 1.94 plus a 1.94. Okay, and then we finally had a hit today as well for a 3.39. Okay, plus a 3.39. So far on that one trade, a nice 6.59. Okay, we're coming into the USD, the odd USD. This one's in the zone at the moment, but it's very, very bullish. So there was no trade setup came in this. It's still looking for a possible turnaround, but going on the currency strength, that won't happen. The Chef JPY, we invalidated the setup, so you can see where I had the zone set up. The power was just too much on the volume on this, and it just burst through there. Okay, Euro USD, again similar. We were waiting for a turnaround. However, we've just been messing on with the wicks, volume coming in. We didn't get the turnaround. The GBP Swiss franc, I was looking for a setup on this. I'm just going to come down into the 5 minutes. We didn't quite get the setup. We missed the setup by about 2 pips on here. Otherwise, we would have had a 1.5. We also would have had a 1.97. And it's heading towards the 4% at the minute. So we missed out by about 2 pips for this one to come in. We'll go back up to that 4 hour. The GBP NZD, we came in, we tapped into the bull zone where we're looking for that reversal coming in for a buy. Well, not enough time in the day now to get in on this. To be fair, this would have been your 4 hour area for a possible reversal. But again, like I say, we're coming towards the end of the week. The GBP USD, another one where we've tapped into the sell area. Okay, this afternoon, this came and tapped around about 2 p.m. today. We started getting a reversal off, but I wasn't there to see anything as a reversal. We come in. I'm just going to put this down on here. And I'll come into that 5 minute. I'm going to change this to a sell pattern. Just want to see if a sell pattern came in, to be fair. Just put me up on here. So there was a sell pattern came in. Okay, there was a sell pattern came in. Just going to go to that 15 minute. And yeah, we would have had a winner here. So again, that would have been a 15-minute target. Okay. And this is all about what was possible. So that was a 15-minute target. It's pointless looking for a target on the 1 hour and 4 hour. So if we go back down to that 5 minute entry, okay, you would have had a sell point from here. that would be your target right there, and you would have been going for at least a 1.25. So we know we've got that, to be fair, okay? So that was a possible from this afternoon. I was in the middle of getting my broadband supplier swapped over, okay? NZDJPY will come back up to the 4 hour. We smashed through the sell zone, but before we had that, we actually had entries on this. So we're going to come back down to that 5 minutes, okay? We had a TP1 for a 1.25, okay? We had a TP2 right here for a 2.2 plus a 2.2. Okay, that takes us to 11.9, 11.29. So on here, we came back up towards entry. You would have been out to break even on that third one, to be fair. Okay, we come into NZD USD back up to that 4 hour. Let's take a look. Got a possible entry there, but it's been bullish still, so there was no pullback for the entry. The USD cards, again, we were looking for a buy. It came through and it's invalidated. And then finally, the USD JPY, we had some entries on this as we came into the bear zone, which would have given some sells. So we come into this, we take a look at this. We've had 3 targets hit on this one. We've had a 1.5, so plus a 1.5. plus a 2.68 plus a 2.68. And then we had the final drop for a 351 plus a 3.51. So overall, the targets or possibilities for this week is a massive 18.98. Now, like I say, I'm always fully transparent. I've not got all of that, but I'm getting a good 2% out of this week, okay? I am working upon something which is the fire zones here, which will hopefully let us grab those missing pieces of those zones. Okay, so you can see here, we're tapping up, we came down to a TP2 on here. Okay, I'm just trying to work upon the entry system on this. So this will hopefully help me scoop up all of this of what you see here, if I have that here working and in perfect working order. But again, even getting a healthy 2% out of what was the possibility of this week is absolutely fantastic, okay? Sorry about the quickness of this video this week. I've just had my broadband supplier swapped over. I will be doing tomorrow's video, which is resetting the zones and also updating the AI for the fire zones on TradingView. Okay, so like I said, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, ask a question. Inside the description will be links to get started in the Discord, so you can get hold of that here, and then possibly you could be grabbing these profits like these each week. Okay, until then, I'll catch you later, guys.